Testing, 1 2 1 2.
Hey!
Doyin and Whitney, yay!
Tell them Africa we don't tire. So here comes the African giant. Many people.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And it's your girl, D to the O to the Y.
I love it.
And we have
Whitney Q from the Q Travels. What do? I have a 9-to-5 job, but I travel at the same time and I utilize my 25 days annual leave. And people think I've got way more days, but I just travel all the time. And my next trip is in less than 2 weeks' time. So I'm super
that's actually
excited.
good, you know. Lucky. So today we are going to be doing 5 tips on solo traveling.
Right.
So we have
Whiteboard.
whiteboard here, and it is obviously the first one we're going to do is we're going to talk about what we've learned whilst we're doing solo traveling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you ready?
Okay. So we're doing 5 tips on
Yeah,
solo
we'll
travel.
just do the first one first, and then
Okay.
we'll do like in steps.
Okay.
If that makes sense. So your first one, what it taught you? Oh God, what did it teach you?
I can't even write trip. What did they teach me? Okay, I'm done.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if it's going to be clear, but okay. 3, 2, 1.
What was your one?
See, I did a whole sentence.
Wow, I
That I can do things by myself.
That's actually good. Mine was grateful.
Okay.
And the reason why I said grateful, is because obviously I'm grateful already, but then when I went abroad, it just taught me to value life even more.
Yeah.
And obviously when I see stuff, obviously you see a lot of stuff in the UK and everything, but abroad it's just completely different.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, cool. My one is that I can do things by myself. That's solo travel. I feel like we've been brought up in a world that if you're traveling somewhere, you think you need somebody else with you. But going by yourself to a whole other country taught me that I am able to do things by myself, and I try to encourage other people to do the same as well.
Cool.
So yeah, that's the first thing solo travel taught me.
Yeah, that is good.
Cool. What's the next one?
So number 2.
Oh, it's the same. Another
Yes,
thing that
yeah.
okay.
I have to use my jumper to rub it off.
Really?
3, 2, 1. What was your one?
Mine is a small world. What's your one?
And mine is enjoy my own company.
That's a good one. That's a good one. I can't use that, but yeah, that's a good one. Mine was a small world because sometimes on my solo travels I'll bump into people and I realise that how much of a small world it is. And also when I see similarities in other cultures, in my culture, you know, we're actually all the same and
That's
we're
true,
one. And it's
yeah.
actually a small world. The world is not as big as it seems, but it helps you connect with other cultures as well. So that's
I like
good.
that. And mine is
Yes.
to enjoy my own company.
Listen, go to the cinema by yourself.
Oh, I haven't tried that one yet.
You haven't, wait, so you solo traveled and you haven't gone to the cinema by
No,
yourself?
I didn't like those by myself.
You've done it the wrong way round.
Legit.
No, you've actually done it the wrong way round.
No, I'll do cinema one day by myself.
It's the best thing ever. You're actually concentrating on the movie.
No, but I need help sometimes.
Okay. But maybe you're being distracted maybe with the person.
Oh, yeah,
So
true.
just concentrate on the movie. Try it one time. It's
I actually would, you know.
Yeah.
I actually would. But I don't know yet. It's
Yeah,
on my list.
Okay.
But I said enjoy your own company, and I feel like I don't even know how to explain this. Enjoy my own company. Sometimes I just need my own space, my own freedom, and even though I want to talk to people, but I just feel like I want to just. It's gonna sound so sad, but I like talking to myself. If that makes sense.
You're your own best friend.
It is actually true. Yes,
Yeah.
I like talking to myself, and I just feel like I enjoy my own company. I get to do things that I want to do. And no one can tell me, Doyin, why are you doing this? Or Doyin, I want to go here. No, Doyin, you're going there.
Yeah.
So I like doing stuff for myself. So it's just really fun. So enjoy your own company.
Okay, love it.
So yeah. God. Number 3.
This is off inspiration of what you just said, really.
Oh, I feel on number 3. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Mine's no boundaries. Explore. It's kind of the same.
It actually is.
Yeah, no boundaries. So when I went to Luxembourg, I decided to go to Luxembourg for a solo trip in August 2017, I believe. That was fun. That was great stuff. And then I randomly was looking on maps and saw that Belgium wasn't too far, and I had a car, so I was like, oh, let me just go and drive.
You actually went?
Yeah, and the fact that I didn't need to say to someone, oh, do you want to go to Belgium?
Yeah.
Oh, do we need to split petrol money? Oh, what do you want to do in Belgium? I was just able to up and go, so there's no boundaries with solo trip. You're literally in control of what you want to do.
Yeah,
if you want to decide to wake up late one day, you can wake up late. If you want to decide to go out early one day, you can go out early, do an excursion. So
your own pace.
Yeah.
It's actually so true. My one is, it taught me to explore.
Yeah.
There's more to life. Like, it just taught me a lot. And obviously when you're traveling abroad, you get to explore people's culture, like meet new people, understand like, the food as well, definitely. Like music as well. Like, and I just feel like, I've been in London for how many years? How old am I? Wait, 24 years.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been in London for 24 years, and I feel like I only just started doing like solo traveling in 2016.
So about 3 years ago.
Yeah, so
that's still pretty young though.
But I feel like I learned a lot though. That's why I feel like exploring.
It helped you. When you solo travel, you learn so much about yourself because you're in situations by yourself, and it's not like you have to go to someone and be like, oh,
that's
should
actually
we do
true.
this, do that. You have to do things
by yourself.
Yeah.
That's actually true. So that's okay. Number 4.
Oh, this is getting harder now.
It actually is.
I
don't know.
3, 2,
1.
1. Independent. Life is what you make it.
Ooh.
Yeah. So solo travel literally is what you make it. If you don't want to do anything, you won't do anything. And you don't have to rely on others to make it something for you. So you then start to rely on yourself a lot. And I feel like this goes into life. Like, life is what you make it. Even if you're going through a tough situation, if you decide to look on a positive side, it will be better rather than looking on a negative side. So life is actually what you make it. It's up to you how your life should be, and you shouldn't blame any circumstances. So that's what solo travel taught me, because it's like you're in complete control of a situation, and you come back home and you're like, wow, I did that, and it was only because of me why that happened. So
I actually like that one. You know, I'm gonna steal that one. Mine one is independent.
Yes.
I started solo traveling, as I said before, 3 years ago. So I was 21. And I went to America, New York for a month.
Nice.
Yeah, by myself.
Girl,
I don't know how my mother
did you
told
make
me
some
to
friends
go.
out there?
I had a friend there. Big up Aisha. I know she
Hey,
knows some
Aisha.
guys. So I had a friend there, but half the time I was always by myself.
Okay.
But it just taught me a lot, like to be independent, cook. Like obviously my friend hooked me up with her cousin's house there.
Okay.
So I had like to cook. I didn't really cook actually. That's a lie. Sorry.
Take out.
Takeaways. I did plenty of takeaways. But it taught me to be independent, and it taught me that I can rely on nobody.
Yeah.
Honestly, so I can just feel like my mum always teach me like, look after yourself, and obviously in their times, who's gonna look after you when you get old and all sorts. And like, it's good to be independent. And when my mum always say, when you have your own kids, you will know.
Oh, that's what
and it's true.
Still waiting for that, but alright.
But I just feel like being independent just taught me I can do things by myself, not rely on nobody.
Yeah.
And that's all I can think of. Yeah.
Cool. Right, this is a hard
And the last one,
okay, what solo travel taught me?
Okay, the last one.
Okay, I think I've got it.
I have not got it. I like this one. It's my last one.
Okay.
Okay then. 3, 2, 1.
Just go for it.
Ooh.
Thankful.
Yeah, my one is
That's
thankful.
a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Just go for it, and don't let the fact that no one's coming with you stop you from traveling.
Definitely.
The whole world to explore. I know I said the world is small, but there is actually a whole world to explore. And time is running out. There will be a time in your life where you won't be able to do solo travel when you're married. Well, you can if you're married and have kids, but you have to think of them before you go. You have to think of your family before you go. Right now, I can just up and leave and go on a solo trip and no one will say anything to me. So just go for it, have fun. Don't think too much into it. Maybe explore some cities around you first before you venture off to a new country. But yeah, just go for it.
I like that. You actually have good ones.
You have good ones too.
I'm trying. My one, is thankful because I just feel like I know there's homeless people in the UK, but then when I go abroad, like in America, I just see loads. Where else have I been? I can't remember where else. But I just feel like I am so thankful for like my life, for my family around me, and I feel like solo traveling has just taught me that. I just witnessed, like, I see homeless people begging for money abroad, and then I just feel like I can't believe it. Like, I'm not in their same shoes. Anything can happen. Like, the tables can get me turned. But I just feel like I am just thankful that I get to see things like this. I get to have an opportunity to travel by myself and explore and just see that there's more to life, like you said before. And yeah.
Cool. But solo travel, guys. You won't regret it.
You actually won't
Once
regret
you do it once, you get addicted to it because you're like, oh, I can do this again.
It's true.
So I've been doing solo travel in Europe mostly. So for the first time, I'm going to go to a whole Mexico by myself, and I've never done that before. Like, to a whole island. So yeah, it is what it is.
It's true, you know. Like AJ said, what did he say? He liked it once. He had to do it 2 times. He did it in his boxing thingy last week.
Okay.
But yeah, man. But peace. We're gonna do another one in a second.